to a brand new video. I just want to say today's a beautiful day. Do the most that you can. Do something that you'll be thankful for tomorrow. And I'm starting my day early as it's like 7 a.m. right now. We got the ST out nice and pretty. I do have things coming fair soon, and we are also enjoying this sunrise, and it's really beautiful. See the waves crashing. Yeah, it's really beautiful. I'm gonna take an early start to my day today because I have a lot to do, so why not come and enjoy the sunset? And I woke up and I could not go back to sleep, so I said, you know what, let's go for a drive. Santa Cruz is only like 30 minutes from where I live, not too far, not too close, but we are enjoying this beautiful sunset. And let me know if you guys like those drone shots, because those drone shots were sick. I would have got more, but I only have one battery so far, so I was like super high up in the sky. I said I had 3 minutes left, so I brought it as quickly as I could down here, and there's like a falcon right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Apparently some guy said it's like a rare, oh my god, it's not focusing. It's like a rare breed or whatever. It's like right there. And saying he could attack my drone, so I just brought it down just cause. I'm gonna go enjoy some coffee and then head over straight to the gym because I am doing a coolant flush on the Civic, and I'll show you guys that as well. And we're just gonna see what this day takes us, you know? I haven't really picked up the camera too much. I've been busy with work and personal things. So my goal is to start picking up the camera, start posting on the gram, TikTok, whatever, shorts, and yeah, let's get this day going. All right guys, we're actually at the Civic right now. And yeah, we're gonna change this coolant. And I'm gonna see if I can try to clean the reservoir because it is gross. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but we'll see. I got coolant on my hands. Check the oil, oil's good. I'm actually waiting for, there's like a little light in this car right there that is supposed to turn red once the car needs an oil change, I guess. So I'm waiting on that. It's probably been like 3,000 miles, which is when I would usually change it. I'll go 5 max, but if it doesn't turn on till then, I'm gonna change it, because yeah. So coolant should be super easy. It's actually under the car. There's like a little knob, twist off, coolant will leak into that. And yeah. And right now we're gonna go get a funnel and some distilled water so we can flush it out, or just like a water bottle, just so we can flush it out, leave the car running for like 5 minutes and flush that out, then put the new coolant on. We'll probably do like 2 of those cycles, we'll see. But yeah, right now first we're gonna go wash this car because it's disgusting. I haven't washed it since San Diego. It's been raining, so yeah, and plus it's like dust everywhere, bird poop. Yeah, let's go give it a quick wash. All right guys, we are back home now. As you can see, I got everything I need to drain the coolant, and it's fairly easy. I don't really have to get dirty. I just need to remove a little drain plug down there, take off the cap, and that's it. It just falls in there. And I'll do 1 flush. If I can fit 2, I'm gonna do 2 because it's only a 10 quart, so yeah, I don't know. Maybe we can put it in there once I use the water. We'll see. I'm gonna try to do 2 flushes because that'll be better. All right, let's get started. All right guys, so now you can see it. I got the coolant draining right there. So this is what the cap looks like. It's super easy to take off. It's not even that tight. All you gotta do is unplug. Take the cap off so the air can go through. That can go through. Squeeze this. It's pretty hot, but should get some air out. Gonna have to do that once we fill it up as well. And it's draining right now, so yeah, just gonna wait until it's done. All right, so now we're gonna add this cooling system cleaner to the reservoir. Well, a little bit so we can clean that, and we'll put the rest in there. Finish it up with some water. Let the car run for about 5-10 minutes. And watch the temperature gauge. I'll probably let it run for almost like 10 minutes, and that way we can flush everything. We might do 2 cycles, if not 1. It's because yeah, I dumped everything. It looks to be it's probably like a quart. I don't know, it wasn't much. I did kind of make a mess though, so yeah, let's get to it. So you guys can see I have a timer going, and once the time's up, I'll just shut it off and drain it. right, can we appreciate how clean the daily looks? For once, this car actually looked clean. It was really dirty since San Diego, and I forgot how good condition this is, like the paint. Ignore the small nicks like the hood. I guess that's normal with the hood propped. Bumper damage, I didn't do it. Door dings, yeah, I didn't do any of that, but like it's got this nice tire shine, added like a nice layered detail spray. Does need a little clay bar and polish. I'm sure this paint could come along way better, but look how good the back looks. Yeah, this daily is nice. I'm impressed. I love it. All right, so right now I'm gonna head to the gym. I'm actually going to this gym that's a little bit further away, but it's honestly a really cool gym. And we are taking the Safari because no one really drives this van. So I'll take it. The way the battery can get charged, you know. When I started it, it was struggling a little bit because this has like a brand new starter in it and like a newish battery, so it starts right up. But the fact that we don't drive it is killing the battery. So I'm gonna take it for a spin.